can we start the interview?
Yeah, sure.
What is software testing?
So what is software testing? Testing the application to find its defects. So we'll do the software testing.
Why testing is important?
Previously, there is no testing part. Developers used to test the application from their end. So 70% of the application will used to fail. So all the clients and developers may have meeting and started uh, uh, the at the meeting, and they came up with the testing team to encourage to to come out from the defects of the software which is developed by the developers. So testing is important to test the application before releasing to client without defects. So
Okay.
further there will be no defects in the application.
Okay, good. What is manual testing?
Manual testing is testing is done by humans without any using automation tools for manual testing.
What is automation tools? What is automation testing?
Automation automation testing is testing done by the using different tools where there is a human effect will be less.
Okay, can you explain me about product and project-based applications?
Project pro, project Product based application and project will are two different. While project will be we will develop for this for one client or specific company. We're coming to the product which will be like complete useful to end user. For example, product will become under banking sector and sorry, project will come under banking sector. Product will become under like Amazon, Flipkart.
Okay. What is SDLC and how many phases are there in SDLC?
SDLC full form is Software Development Lifecycle. It is a complete life cycle of the development of the software from starting to end. There are 7 phases. First phase is gathering the information. Second is feasibility check. Third one is uh, design architect work. Fourth one is testing, developing. For fifth one is testing. Sixth one is installation. Seventh one is maintenance.
Yes, good. So can you explain me about requirement gathering phase?
Requirement gathering phase. Okay, once one BA will collect the requirement from the client in the BRS form. Okay, in BRS form, and it will BA will conduct meeting with the HR developers, testers, and convert that file into the SRS so they can understand.
Okay. So why BA will convert BRS into SRS document?
Because when the BA get the requirements from the client, it will be like only the BA can understand. But to understand developers and testers, the BA will conduct that BRS to SRS.
Okay, yes, good.
Mm.
What is HLD and LLD?
HLD is the high level design, LLD is the low level design. High level design is used for the higher applications, and low level is used for the lower applications.
Okay. Can you explain me about waterfall model?
Waterfall model is one of the model in the SDLC life cycle. Waterfall model is a standard model, and we will not accept any changes in the waterfall model. And requirements will be very clear in the waterfall model, and it will be like they it will be in the pro the developer will be understand the requirements very easy, and the software will be developed in like very soon. Like for example, any government portals,
Okay.
waterfall model.
Okay. Why this model is called waterfall model?
Because we don't have option to go back and make changes if the client as per client requirement. The waterfall model will be constant. So as per once the document like meeting done documents were gather requirement gather, we'll go for it. We'll not have any changes for them. So that was we'll call it as a waterfall model.
Okay, good. What is verification and validation in V model?
Is the second model in the so it's the okay, verification and validation. Verification means verifying the all the documents like BRS, SRS documents and other documents. Okay, we whatever the required documents is, that is verification. Coming to the validation, validating the application software to software like working or not. That is called validation.
Okay. When we go for waterfall V model,
V model. When we go for the V model, is like when the customer requirements are changing, we'll go for the V model. Like not after the waterfall model, we'll use the V model for the client requirements.
okay. Why spiral model is called iterative model?
Because if the client have a frequency change, like we'll use the spiral model, and the testing will be done every cycle. Once the one cycle is completed, the testing will be done. So, like part to part, the testing will be done in the spiral model, and any time the client have a requirement, we'll make these changes and we'll update to the client. That's why we use the spiral model.
Okay. What are the types of software testing?
Types of software testing.
Yes.
Software testing, like it's like white box testing, that only, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So we have three types of software testing. That is white box testing, black box testing, and gray box testing. Coming to
Okay.
the white
Can
box testing, yeah.
Yes, yes, still continue.
Coming to the white box testing, it was done by the developers. Black box was done by the testers, and the gray box is a combination of white box and black box testing done by the another person.
Okay. Can you explain me about unit testing? What is unit testing?
Unit testing, one of the testing in the white box testing, it was done by the developers. The testing the uh, each part of the application is called a unit testing.
Okay. What is scenarios?
Scenarios are like positive scenarios, negative scenarios will be there. So while testing the application, we used to check both the scenarios. We'll write down the test cases with the positive scenarios and check the application. I need to write the negative scenario to check the application overall. It is working on that as per the client requirement.
Okay. What is positive scenario and negative scenario?
Positive scenario, for example, if we are entering the mobile number in the software, we have to check with the 10 numbers. It is working means the positive scenario. Coming to the negative scenario, we need to check with 9 numbers and above numbers, like level numbers also in
Okay.
the negative scenario.
What are the levels of testing?
Levels of testing. Levels of testing.
Okay, no
Okay,
problem.
levels of testing. So, no, I will tell one second. So, can you give me an answer on this?
Yes.
So I can remember. Can you give me a like hint on this so I can remember?
Levels of testing means types of black box testing.
Okay,
Like,
types of black box testing.
yes.
So black box testing was done by the testers. In that we have four levels: top down top down testing, bottom down testing, and hybrid testing
No, no,
and
no.
functional testing.
Levels of testing means functional testing, integration testing, system
Okay, okay.
testing.
Functional test, functional testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. Functional testing is testing the each part of the application. Okay, and coming
Okay.
to the integration testing, combination of two models, checking the two models like it's working or not. It's called integration testing. Coming to the system testing, completely checking the system of the application, not like every part of the application is called system testing. Coming to the accept acceptance testing is while before submitting to the client software, we used to check with the BA. Now, like developer and BA will check with the client that this will be done in front of the client. It's called acceptance testing.
Okay. What is stub?
When the submodule is not ready, okay, and the developer uses stub for the like, temporary module to to check the client and like the when the submodule is not ready, use the stub to overcome it.
Okay, what is driver?
Driver, the main module is not completed. The developer uses driver to run the like application
Okay. What are the entry points for functional testing?
entry points. We
Yes.
first we need to write the scenarios.
Okay.
First we need to write the scenarios, and then we need to check the positive scenarios and negative scenarios.
Okay.
This is what I know on this.
Okay. What are the types of functional system testing?
Functional system testing, non-functional and functional testing, two types.
Yes. So in that functional and non-functional, we have so many types.
Okay, like
Some,
only few I can remember. Like in functional, we have smoke testing, retesting,
yes.
data testing. Uh, this coming to functional testing. Coming to the non-functional testing, like software, like hard disk software and installation, like installation of graphic cards
Oh,
out of the like software,
okay.
non-functional testing.
What is alpha testing?
Alpha testing is like uh, testing the application with client, with PA and developer, like within client place is called alpha testing. And coming to the beta testing, testing the application in the client area is a beta testing.
Okay. Okay. Good, Akhil.